Hi, this is Nadia Montenegro. I'm a mother of 8, a mompreneur, an actress, a cook, and now an author. Hello! Ito na naman po ang ating last episode for our Season 4. And of course, we end it always with a sweet note. Kaya ito po ang i-share ko sa inyo. Isa to sa mga parati namin na dessert. We will share it now with you. It's called our bread pudding with vanilla sauce. Sobrang simple, kahit mga bata kaya pong gawin to. Here are our ingredients. We have 10 to 12 slices of bread loaf, raisins, cinnamon, brown sugar, 2 eggs beaten, butter, and 3 cups of milk. And then, for our vanilla sauce, meron po tayong brown sugar ulit, flour, milk, egg, and of course, our vanilla extract. Okay? So, we have a greased pan ready, no? Diyan natin ilalagay ating bread pudding. And preheated na po ang ating oven, 190 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit muna. And pag binake po natin to for 30 minutes, wala pong takip. Kasi kaya natin maluto yung itlog tsaka yung gata sa loob. Let us start now. Kukunin natin tong ating tinapay. Kaya hindi masyadong mahirap gawin to kasi ito, kahit walang arte-arte kung anong size, anong shape. Yan, hihiwain lang po natin yan into cubes. Okay. Use a serrated knife, no? It's easier pagka bread kasi mas madaling hiwain pag ganyan. Put it in a bowl. Yan. Ganun din po gagawin natin dito. Kasi syempre, ginagawa rin ng mami ko to hanggang sa, yun, kanya-kanyang take na. Yung sister ko, nilalagyan niya ng chocolate chips. Yung iba naman, nilalagyan ng marshmallows. Kanya-kanya na lang kung anong hilig. Total, bread pudding siya. Based din siya ng mga pastries, di ba? Ang tinapay. Yun. So, naging ano na siya. Naging regular na dessert sa aming table. Okay, so nandito na lahat ng ating bread. And in one large bowl, we will mix our ingredients. 3 cups of milk. It can be full cream milk, it can be fresh milk, it can be evaporated. Ako, for the bread, I use fresh milk, no? And then for the sauce, evap, syempre, iba pa rin. And then we will add our sugar. Maybe about a cup of sugar, no? And then 2 beaten eggs. Yan. 2 beaten eggs, our cinnamon powder, ayan, and raisins. Ayan, siguro mga 1 cup raisins, no? Pwede na yan, yan. And then, we will add also vanilla. Vanilla sa bread, vanilla sa sauce. There you go. And then, whisk, whisk, whisk. Whisk, whisk, whisk. So, I added 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay lang kahit bubo siya. Just kasi pag napasok mo na sa bread yan at nahalo mo, mag-aano na siya, yung kakalat yung butter habang natutunaw sa loob ng oven. Yan. So, okay lang kung buo-buo ang ating butter. Now, the whole mixture, we pour on the bread. Simot sarap ang ating sugar. Ayan. And then, hayaan natin ma-soak ng bread lahat ng milk. Ayan. Kailangan talaga masip-sip niya lahat. Hayaan mong durug-durug ang tinapay. Ayan ang ating mga raisins, oh. Cinnamon, egg, butter, milk, sugar, and vanilla. Set it aside, no? Kailangan talaga wala ng milk na matitira. Ibig sabihin, kailangan ma-soak talaga ng bread lahat. Kasi hindi naman maganda na i-bake mo, may sauce pa. Yan. Now, in our greased pan, we will pour in the bread. Sobrang simple lang po nito. If you wanna add some some add bananas, some also add apples. Yan. Let's just let it soak. Hayaan natin siya dyan. Perfect sa pan natin. And then, this is when we put it in our oven. Ayan. Now, while we are baking, we will now make our vanilla sauce. Ilalagay muna natin yung ating milk dito kasi we are going to be adding the egg, no? Pag nilagay natin yung egg with the heat, magiging scrambled eggs po to. So, mimix muna natin lahat nung ingredients. So, ang kalalabasan po nitong vanilla sauce, para rin siya yung ating base sa ating leche flan. Kakapal ng kakapal yan. We add just a teaspoon of flour. Kahit ano gusto nyo. Okay, ngayon natin ilalagay sa heat. But low heat lang kasi wag masyadong malakas kasi baka maging custard. Then, this is when we add the 1 tablespoon of butter and our vanilla extract. There you go. So, patutunawin lang natin to, no? Whisk lang. Pagtsagaan nyo. Yan. Pagtsagaan nyo lang, no? Kasi kakapal talaga to. And then, I will tell you when it's the right texture na. Okay, after 3 to 4 minutes, no? Kailangan nyo pagtsagaan na maging ganito. I will show you yan. Kailangan ganito po siya ka-thick. Ayan. Parang it covers the back of your spoon. Ayan, no? Ganyan, okay? Sinadya ko yan. Okay. Now, we will wait for our bread pudding na matapos sa ating oven. And we will be back. Okay. Ito na ang ating bread pudding. Yan. Lalagyan natin ang ating vanilla sauce dito sa ating plato. Yan. And then, ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. More sauce. And then, lagyan natin ng konting garnish. Yan. Ito po ang ating bread pudding with vanilla sauce. Ang budget po natin dito ay murang-mura lang po. This is around 250 to 280 pesos. Serves around 8 to 10 people. And siguradong may enjoy ninyo bilang dessert sa inyong mga hapagkainan. And now, titikman natin the best part again. Mainit pa to. Sakto lang ang tamis. Nalalasahan yung cinnamon, yung vanilla, yung cream, lahat. Eto na po. Ang ating bread pudding with vanilla cream sauce. Thank you so much for joining us in our Season 4. And please, abangan nyo po sana ang aming Season 5. And don't forget, have I cooked for you? And remember to always cook with your heart. Thank you so much to Ever Bilena, Radiant Lux, Chef's Work for my jacket. And to my BCM family and team, thank you again. See you next time. Thank you for watching Kusina ni Nadia. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.